Yes, I found it. So I enjoy egg loaf. I enjoy all these other keto pancake waffle alternatives, and it's been so long since I found any syrup that was any good. I mean, there's this agave 5 that was okay, but the bottom line is not that good. I found it finally, guys. Check this out. Keto maple syrup, the best tasting, and the deal is, like, Dr. Berg had this stuff that was by 64 ounces or like 300 gallons or something. It was a ridiculous size. It's called Fiber Yum if you want to check it out. But anyways, I'm showing you this. It's only like 13 ounces and it don't break the bank. Okay, Lakanto, they're a monk fruit company. There's monk fruit with erythritol. But anyways, I really love this brand, and the more products I use, the more I'm amazed at what they've done. 13 ounces, $9.99. I'll have a link in the description. 1 net carb. Tastes great. Bottom line is, I'm so happy. Hope you will be too. Try it out.